Munganang cricket thungkurung Khorok Ganguly no Twiprani tourism brand ambassador Snamaya golo Tripura hase kusugo kai tongo truk Tripura shuri tour and travels ni tuidun Mumbai America te England ni Khorok dog ni kaisa bodol February 20th salmariwo Beraina Phailaikha Tripura haseni juda thayo Beraina maya golo haseni narwai tong thainogo lenglalayo Borokni Beraina thiniwo team leader Ramsong Hairs Haka Himalaya International Institute of Yoga Meditation Science and Philosophy Mothani Bisingte Tripura Hasio Beraina Phailaikha Haseni Laibuma Hukuma Mukumu Rokno Naina Bagai Borok Phailaikha Haseni Tripurashuri Mondir Nirmohol Chobimura Beraina Tini Kokti Shaloke Bubagra Khorni Raspberry Eba Ojenta Fileso Beraina Shalbani Bagai Borok Hasio Beraina Phailaikha Hane Shawiknarka.
You all are from which country and what is the purpose of your visit?
So we are part of the Himalayan International Institute of Yoga, Meditation, Science and Philosophy. And we have a group of 60 international delegates here visiting Tripura to experience the extremely rich culture that is here, both spiritually, geographically, and of the people, tribal culture, and everything that Tripura has to offer. So we are coming with open minds and big hearts to experience the best of what Tripura and the Northeast have to offer the world and share it with our group of 60 international guests here, and also to share it with our guests around the world through all of the different stories, photos, and videos that we'll be taking along the way.
How you see Tripura? How you see Tripura? In Tripura, what do you see?
Well, so far we have had a wonderful darshan at Tripura Sundari. We have been to Nir Mahal and Chabimora and Kalibari, and here we are at the Ajanta Palace, and it's been just a wonderful stay in your beautiful state and this wonderful country.
Do you like Chabimora?
We love everything that we have seen so far. So thank you for the warm hospitality that Tripura has offered, and we will definitely be back again.
Sir, your good name?
My name is Ransom Hare. I am the director of spiritual excursions at the Himalayan Institute.
Thank you, sir. And you are from which country?
United States.
Thank you, sir.